Okay, so there is a new upgrade to the voice mode in Claude AI, and basically there are three major things that have been added into the platform. So first, there are 18 more languages available in the Claude voice mode. So previously it is only English, but now you can speak with Claude in Chinese, in Japanese, Italian, Spanish, and many more. I'll show you how you can change the setting later. Secondly, the audio sounds a bit better, the voice feels a bit more natural. And lastly, I just discovered that apparently you can use a different AI model, a large language model, when you're chatting with Claude in the voice mode. Now, just to give some context, previously you are stuck with the Haiku model. Haiku is the lowest model in Claude at the moment. It is okay, but it is not the smartest, and that's why it's kind of disappointing. But I just discovered that you can use a different model like Sonnet and Opus. Okay, I will talk about it later, but for now, let me show you how you can use and change settings in the Claude voice mode for both a desktop, web, and mobile version. So on the web version, you can navigate to Claude.ai. And here, of course, if you want to chat or talk with Claude, just click on this voice mode icon and then you can start speaking with Claude. Just make sure that you have a microphone on your computer. So to access the settings, click on your profile, go to settings, and then in the general section, you can scroll down a little bit. And in the voice section, there are a few things that you can modify. So first, language is not something that is only exclusive to English-speaking users. Now you can use a different language. There are 18 more languages, and hopefully there is going to be even more languages being available in the platform. So secondly, you can use a different voice. Now, for each language, the voice character would be different. Now, if you want to preview the audio of the character, just hover the cursor above the waveform icon. For example,
in voice mode, we'll just talk it out. I'll wait for you to be done.
We can chat while you are on a walk. In the
Worst places for voice mode? Library.
You can ask me about what's on your schedule.
Best places for voice mode?
Okay, the audio is a bit too, the volume is just a bit too low, but I hope you can hear that. Yeah, basically just select the voice that you think sounds better. And lastly, you can select the speed or pacing of the voice. Now I'll just select normal. So if you're using the mobile app version of Claude, just open the app and just make sure that it is running the latest version. And right here, you can open the sidebar, go to your profile, and after that, select voice. And it's actually the same setting as the one in the desktop version. You can select different voice, different language, and of course the pacing of the character or the speed of the voice. Okay, now I will do some demo because there are a few things that I want to test, and then later I'll show you how you can switch to a different model. Now here I'm using the desktop version, and I'll just show you a few things that I want to demo while I'm speaking with Claude in the voice mode. Okay, hi there, can you hear me? Are you there? Okay, 1 second. Well, it took a while to initialize, it is still connecting. Yeah, so let me just refresh the page. Hopefully it is just a temporary problem. And I'm not really surprised given that Claude is not exactly the most reliable service. Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you fine, Captain. How's it going?
Can you speak with Singaporean accent?
Absolutely, I can give that a go. So what can I help you with today?
Just say something, then just make sure that you're speaking in a Singaporean accent.
Right, Law. So I'll just chat with you in a Singaporean accent from now on, yeah? It's quite relaxed and straightforward, La. Just let me know what you'd like to talk about and I'll keep this accent going for you, okay?
It's the wording is definitely the style of Singaporean speaking, but it's not the Singaporean accent. It's still the British accent, so it's not able to change the accent on the fly. Just to give some context, in ChatGPT and Gemini, you can change the accent, so that's one letdown. But let's just continue. Okay, I'll try this. Hey, can you speak really, really slowly?
Sure thing, Law. I will speak much more slowly for you.
Okay, can you speak really, really fast?
Okay, got it, La. So you'll be speaking really fast to me and I'll keep speaking slowly for you, yeah? No problem at all.
Okay, faster, faster.
Right, La. So I'll speed things up now, yeah? What can I help you with, Captain?
Okay, just speak faster again, and okay, stop speaking like Singaporean, but just speak really, really fast, and tell me something that is quite interesting.
Alright, Captain. So here's something fascinating. Did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts and blue...
Okay, it's not speaking fast at all. It's still the same tonality. Okay, it is not able to do that. Let's continue with the other test. Okay, let's try this. Can you tell me who is going to play in the World Cup 2026 final?
Let me search that up for you since we're still a bit away from that tournament. Oh, brilliant. So Spain and Argentina are facing off in the World Cup 2026 final, Captain.
Okay, just give me the answer in the Spanish language. Just speak in Spanish.
Claro, Captain. Entonces, España y Argentina se enfrentan en la final de la Copa Mundial 2026. España es la ligera favorita, pero Argentina tiene esa experiencia y la magia de Messi, así que debería ser un partido increíble, ¿eh?
Okay, it's able to swap the language, but I don't know if the accent is correct. So if any of you is speaking in the Spanish language, just let me know if Claude did a great job or is it still speaking in the English accent. But at least it is able to switch the language. Now I'm going to continue with the last test. Okay, I have a question. I basically have a car and it is quite dirty. Now, there is a car wash about 50 meters from my place. Should I go there by walking or should I drive my car?
Bueno, Captain, si la gasolina...
Sorry, you have to speak in English.
Right, sorry about that. So, if the car wash is only 50 meters away, you'd be better off just walking there, yeah? Save the petrol and get a bit of exercise. No point driving for such a short distance, mate.
Yeah, but I want to wash the car.
Sorry, Captain. You cut off...
Yeah, I just want to clean up the car. So the car wash is only 50 meters away. Should I walk or should I bring my car?
Right, so if you're getting the car washed, you'll need to drive it there, won't you? Can't exactly walk a car to the car wash. Drive...
Okay, so it tripped a little bit. It's actually a really prominent problem with some AI models. It's not able to pass the test of the car wash. So yeah, I have to nudge AI to the correct direction. So eventually I'll get the correct answer. But yeah, it's not able to do so. Anyway, if you want to make the voice mode to be a bit smarter, right now you cannot really do it on the desktop web version. So there is no option to switch the language. Even if you select the model to be Sonnet or Opus, it doesn't matter. When you click this, it's going to default to Haiku model. But in the mobile version, this is quite interesting. You can do it. So I'm going to go back and I'll start a new chat. Okay, let me give you some examples. So right now I select Sonnet and I'll just tap the voice mode. Hey, can you tell me what model are you? Okay, so yep, it uses Sonnet. Interesting. Let's try again, and I will select the Opus model. Okay, what model are you? Yeah, so it's possible to change the model in the mobile version, but you cannot do it in the desktop web version. So I think eventually it will come to the desktop version, but right now you can only really do it on the mobile app version of Claude AI. So yeah, that's basically just some summary about the new features in the Claude voice mode, and also we have done some testing about the capabilities of this new feature and also some limitations that you need to be aware of. So I hope you learned something from this video, and if you want to see some really cool things that you can do with AI, then you can subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my future videos.